Dear student, in our previous classes, you have read about verb, and after them you have read about primary auxiliary. And today, in my present online classes, we have to read the fifth chapter, modal auxiliary. Whom you call modal auxiliary in any sentence when with a finite verb, also a verb may be included and it helps that finite verb called modal auxiliary. यानी मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी वह सहायक क्रिया होती है जो अपने फाइनाइट वर्ब के मैनर को, ढंग को बतलाने का कार्य करता है, उसे हम कहते हैं मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी। मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी में प्रायः कौन कौन से शब्द होते हैं, कौन कौन से ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब होते हैं? कैन, मे, कुड, माइट, will, shall, would, should, must, ought to, need, used to, and dare. We have to learn how to use these modal auxiliaries. Then first modal auxiliary can, where can is used as like as a modal auxiliary when any power may be described in any sentences, then we will use can, as well as I can lift the box. Here we have a power to lift the box, then here can is used. And other examples, you can pass the exam. Here you have a power to pass the exam. Then here we can use modal auxiliary can. And after then use of may. Where we can use of may? When anybody take or gives permission, then we can use may, as well as may I come in, and as answer you may come in. Then in this way we can use modal auxiliary may. And after them could, use of could. Modal auxiliary could is the past form of modal auxiliary can, as well as in past tense we can use modal auxiliary could. She could teach you English. Here could is can's past form. She could teach you English. And after them might. Might is also a past form of modal auxiliary may. Might is also a past form of modal auxiliary may. She it might rain yesterday. So here might is past form of model auxiliary may. And after then we have to use model auxiliary will. You know, in future tense, model auxiliary will and shall are used, as well as she will go to Varanasi. Here will is model auxiliary. She will go to Varanasi. In future tense, instead of I and we have to use model auxiliary will for Gagegi. And in future tense, instead of other subject, we can use model auxiliary shall with I and we. We shall eat food tomorrow. Here model auxiliary shall is used in this sentence. And after that we have to use about would and should. Would is past tense of model auxiliary will and should is past tense of model auxiliary will. In indirect narration we have to use would and should. For example, and here she could teach you English, and your eldest son might become an engineer. It is also the examples of could and might. And after that, would Roma said. She will make a part. It is direct narration, and when you have to convert this direct narration into indirect narration, then will change into would. Roma said that she, here will is changed into would. She would make a part. And after then, use of should. I said, comma, inverted comma, I shall go to Aligarh. Here in this quotation, in this narration, it is direct narration. When you have to convert the direct narration into indirect narration, then shall will be changed into should. I said that I should go to Varanasi. So in this way, you have to use could and should.